Data generation and capture isn't a problem today. With an astonishing growth in the last few years, the world's annual data generation is to reach a whopping 175 zettabytes by 2025. But having just a lot of data can't be the answer to everything. Companies around the world today are struggling to make sense of all that data and extracting as much value from it as possible. And what they need now are data scientists, professionals with skill sets and industry acumen to devise algorithms and techniques that can make real-time insights and data-validated decisions a reality. Imagine if you could become the one they seek with all the skills and applied knowledge, and an endorsement from a top university on your CV, without ever having to leave your job or home in the most hands-on bootcamp that there is. Welcome to Simplilearn's postgraduate program in data science, in partnership with Purdue University, the #1 data science course as ranked by Economic Times. Also in collaboration with one of the world's foremost innovators in the data science space, IBM. Deep dive into a cutting-edge curriculum and an industry-relevant learning path, championing the most job-critical data technologies, tools, and skills. R, Python programming, machine learning, NLP, data visualization with Tableau, and much more. Learn by doing, and also from the best. Get hands-on in the most immersive learning experience in an 8 times higher live interaction global cohort with live online classes by top data practitioners, Masterclasses by Purdue faculty and experts at IBM, exclusive IBM hackathons and Ask Me Anything sessions, 25+ real-life projects with industry datasets from Amazon, Uber, etc., and a final capstone in 3 domains to showcase your readiness for the job at your dream employer. What's more, our newly launched Simplilearn career service in India and the US bridges the gap between you and your professional goals. With resume makeovers, one-on-one interviews, and getting your profile noticed by top hiring companies as soon as you complete your certification. And once you're done, armed with the game-changing Purdue post-graduation program certification, industry-recognized IBM certificates for the IBM courses, and membership to the prestigious Purdue Alumni Association. Take on your new career, chasing and realizing those dreams that have mattered to you the most. Fill out a 2-minute application form, and our consultant will be in touch with the prerequisites. Here's to a glorious future together. We're excited to meet you at our next cohort.